In this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix a video call failed in less than 1 minute. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to apps. Now right here on this page you need to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone, and after it loaded, scroll until you find WhatsApp and then click on it. As you can see, I just found it. Now click on it like this and click here on this force stop option and then go to the notifications management. Make sure to disable the notifications and enable them again. Go back, click on the permissions. Make sure also to enable all the permissions, especially the camera and the microphone. Go back, and last thing you have to do is open the power usage details option and make sure to this option right here it's enabled like this. Now reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then you have a problem with the Wi-Fi or the mobile data. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.